friends. Hello kids, welcome to #Einstein Tip. Today's activity is paper folding is often such a lot of fun. So in this activity, we are going to transform a plain paper into different shapes by which your kids are going to get excited. So for this activity, you have to sit along with your kids and you're going to make different origami shapes. So I'll show you some of the shapes that we can do with a paper. So first I'm going to show you how to make a paper plane. So take a sheet of paper. You can take any color paper if you have, and I have cut into square. It is okay if you have in rectangle also, and you have to fold into two parts like this. The folding should be equal, so fold it like this and then open it up. From this top, fold it inward. Inside you have to fold like this, and the other side also the same way you have to fold. So you'll get a shape like this, triangle, and down it will be like this. Then after that you have to fold it one more time inside like this. One more time. From this end you have to fold like this. So this is the shape we get, and then flip it over. Then again you'll see a mark here. So in that mark, fold it. So that's it. A plane is ready. You can take like this and blow inside and you can fly it over. So paper plane is ready now. And next I'm going to show how to do a bird. So take a square shaped paper, colored paper, and you have to fold it into half like this. So you'll get a triangle shape. Then after that, fold it into half again. One more half and the other half. Then after that, this part, this opening part, you have to fold it inside. Two sides you have to fold it inside. And then open it up. And this above piece you have to bring it frontward. Like this. Then see. You can lift this up. It's a paper bird. These two are wings and head. For eyes you can keep with pencil you can keep a round or marker or anything you can stick here for eyes. So with pencil I'll make eyes for the bird. So second origami, bird is ready. The third one we are going to make is dog. Paper dog we are going to make. Same you have to take a square sheet of paper and fold it into half. So you'll get a triangle. Then from this side, fold it downward. Same way the other side. And then this down part, turn and you have to fold it back. Then again turn to front. And this part also you should turn it back. So it is a paper dog. So for this also you can put eyes, nose and mouth. So paper dog is also ready now. Then next I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. So for that, take a paper and fold it into half like this. You will get a rectangular shape. Then again half folding, you will get a square. So first rectangle and then square shape. After getting the square, turn it into this word. And take one sheet of paper, fold it downward, and the other three also fold it this one should be here and all the rest should be this side. Then in the middle, open it up like this. So you'll see like this and pull it off. So paper boat is also ready. We are going to make the next origami, that is paper cup. So that for that same square sheet colored paper you have to take and then fold it into half like this. You'll get a triangle. Then what you have to do, you have to take and this corner, fold it inward like this and touch it here and press it off. And then same way this side, take and keep it, place it here and then press. So this is what you get. You'll get a shape like this by folding these two corners, and in the this above one, pull it downward and press it. Same way the other side. And then you can open up inside to get a paper cup. So we made a paper cup, dog, paper plane, a bird and boat. So parents, you can either make these shapes or you can mix whatever else you know. So this activity will improve your kids' imagination, concentration and eye and hand coordination. Hope your kids will enjoy this. Thank you.